Welcome to the first tutorial of Mastercam. Okay, so first of all, I will open this Mastercam software. So this is Mastercam 2021 software. Uh, First, I will go to here in the top. You can see the various options: file, home, wireframe, surfaces, solids, model prep, drafting, transform, machine, view, etc. So here first I will go to the view option. Then here you can see there is an option that is called a configuration. So first you have to configure this. So click configuration. When you click this configuration, you can see some options are there. So in the bottom, you can see current option. Click here, you can see inch and metric. Okay. So here I am using this metric startup. Okay. Or you can choose this inch option. So I will select this metric option. Then I will click this OK button. Okay, so that is the first step. Then I am actually creating some model. So for that, I will go to this wireframe model. So I will go to this wireframe model. So I am actually creating one rectangular block. Then in that rectangular block, there will be 4 holes, and there will be 2 pockets. So that is the 3D part. That is the component. Okay. So here actually one ambulance is going in. That's why. Okay, no problem. So I will select this. So here you can see there are so many options: line option, circle option, arc, spline, rectangle, like that. So many options are there. So I will select this rectangle option. Okay. So I will select this rectangle. So when I will select this rectangle, in the left side, you can see you can enter the dimensions. So what is the width, what is the height? Okay. So here under the settings, you can see 2 options. One is anchor to center and create surface. So I am selecting this anchor to center option, such that here you can see this is the center. This mouse cursor is actually connected to this center. Okay. So I will click this. You can see a rectangle. Then I will enter the width and height of the rectangle. So I will enter this width as say 100 and the height as 80. Okay. So then I will click the enter button. Okay. Then again select the rectangle, then anchor to center. Okay. Then the second rectangle I am actually, so I will explain what is the use of these rectangles. So I am actually drawing 3 rectangles. Okay. So I will enter the width as say 86, and I will click the tab button, and the height as 66. Then enter. Now the second rectangle is ready. Then again I will draw the third rectangle. So this is the third rectangle, and I will enter the width as 80 mm and the height as 60 mm. Okay. Then I will click this here you can see OK button. I will click this OK button. Now you can see 3 rectangles. Okay. Then I will apply. So here actually some fillets are there. So for creating the fillet, so you have to select this fillet entities. Okay. So I will select this fillet entities. So I am selecting this one and this one, and here you can see the fillet radius. Okay. So the radius is 5. If you want to change the radius, you can change the radius. Then I will select these 2. You can see the fillet here. Then select these 2. You can see the fillet here. Select these. You can see the fillet here. Then I will click the OK button. So you can see fillet is ready. So for filleting, you have to select this fillet entities. For drawing rectangle, you have to select this rectangle option. Then I have to create 4 holes. 1 hole here, 1 hole here, 1 hole here, and 1 hole here. So that's why I'm actually creating a rectangle here. So in these 4 corners, I am actually creating 4 holes. Okay. So for that, here you can see there is an option that is called a circle center point option. Okay. So I will select this. Then I will select this 1 and the diameter of the circle. So here you can change the radius or the diameter. So here I will change the diameter into 8. Then I will click the enter button. Then again circle, then the diameter is 8. Then click enter. Then diameter is 8, enter. Then again select circle center point and this diameter is 8, enter. Sorry. So I will delete this circle center point, click this, and the diameter is 8. Okay. Then I will delete all these lines. So that's why I am actually drawing this line. Okay. Okay. So the outer part is ready and this is ready. Then I have to draw a slot here. Okay. So for that, again, I will select the rectangle, then anchor to center. Then I will draw a rectangle and I will enter the width as 40 and the height as 10. Then I will click OK button. Then I will delete this line and this line. Then I will take arc. So here you can see there are different options. So here I am selecting arc endpoints option. Okay, so you can create arc with defined endpoints and one edge point. So I will select this. So this is my first point and this is my second point, and then I will change the radius of this arc into 5. Okay, then again I will arc endpoint. So this is my first point, this is my second point, and I will change the radius of the arc into 5. I will click OK. Okay, so that slot is ready. Okay, so here here I have drawn this rectangle using this rectangle command. Then I am actually applying the fillet using this fillet entities. Then I am actually drawing these 4 circles with the help of circle center point option, and I am creating the arc using arc endpoints option. Okay, so in this way you can use different types of commands depending upon your requirement. Okay, then the next step is so here this is actually the wireframe model. Okay, then I will go with the isometric view. So for viewing for changing the view into isometric, so this is actually the top view. Okay, so for viewing the isometric view, just right click here, and here you can see the isometric WCS. Okay, so click here, you can see the isometric view. Okay, then the next step is I want to extrude this. Okay, so for that so here you can see there is an option that is called a solids option. So click solids. So here you can see extrude. So I will click this extrude option. Okay, and I will select this. Here you can see there are different selection methods are there. So I am using this first option, that is chain option. So I will select this. So this is actually selected. Then I will click my OK button. Okay, so I will change the direction. So here you can see an arrow. I will click this, that is reverse direction, and the distance. So what is the distance of this block? So that is actually 10 mm. Okay, I will enter this to 10 mm. So you can see. Okay, then I will click OK. Okay, so that is ready. Then what is the next step? You have to remove material from these 4 holes. Okay, so for that, again go to select hole. Okay, then you have to select the hole. This again selection method chain, and then select this hole, select this hole, select this hole, and select this hole. Then click OK. Then here you are actually removing the body. So for that you have to select this not create body, this cut body option. So you have to select this cut body option. Okay, and the distance is 10 and click OK. Okay, so here you can see 4 holes are actually created. Okay, then okay, so that is ready. Then next is this is actually pocket. So for that, again go to extrude. Okay, then the selection method is chain. Then select this. So this is my selection. Okay, click OK. Then you have to cut body, but the distance is 10, so I want to change the distance to 5. Okay, so this is the pocket. Okay, then I will click OK. Then the last one, I want to remove this slot. So for that, again extrude but option, then selection method chain. So I will select this, click OK. And the distance is actually this slot is actually uh, through all. Okay, so for that, I here you can see the distance. There is an option that is called through all option. I will select this through all and then click OK. Okay, so that means your 3D model is ready. Okay, in this 3D model you can see this is a block consists of 4 holes. Okay, then there will be 2 pockets. So this is one pocket and this slot is another pocket. Okay, then you have to create the machining operation. So for that, you want to go to, you are actually going to this machine option. Okay, so in this machine option you can see the if your machine is a milling, you can select this mill. If it is a lathe, you can select lathe or wire, then router, okay, etc., like that. So here I am actually using this mill option, so I will select this mill, then select the default. Okay, so first you have to uh, tell the set up the stock set. First you have to fix your stock setup. So for that, so here you can see machine group 1. Okay, so properties mill default. Okay, this is the toolpath group. Okay, so here you can see a plus button. You can see click this plus button, and here you can see the stock setup. Click this stock setup. Okay, so when you click the stock setup, so here you can see different options. So you have to select all solids. Okay, click all solids. Okay, so here you can see the Y is 80, the X is 100, and this is 10. Okay, so this is actually stock setup. So I actually add some extra material also. So for that, I will change the Y value to 85 and the X value to 105 and the Z value to 11. Okay, then I will click OK. So now you can see the red color. So this is my stock. Okay, then I am actually applying the phasing operation. So in this video I am actually explaining the phasing operation only. Okay, so then after that I will explain the drilling operation, the contouring operation, the pocketing operation. Okay, so here in this video I will explain the phasing operation only. So for that, here you can see the face. Okay, what is actually face? Quickly clean the stock from the top of a part and create an even surface for future operations. So that is the use of this face. Okay, so I'm selecting this face. Okay, then I will select this top edge. So this is the area I want to face this. Then I will click OK. Then you can see 2D toolpath phasing is you can see. Okay, so in the left side you can see there are so many options. Okay, so what is the toolpath type, tool, about the holder, the cut parameters, the linking parameters, etc., everything will be here. Okay, first I will select this tool. Okay, so you have to select the tool. Okay, when you click select tool, okay, here you can see select library tool. Okay, you have to select this select library tool. You have to select this library tool. Okay, then you have to filter this. Okay, here you can filter, click here. Okay, so here you can see the tool list filter window. Okay, so here this is the end mill flat. Okay, this is end mill 2 sphere, end mill 3 bull. Okay, this is the face mill. Okay, so this is the tool I want to use. Okay, so this is radius mill, chamfer mill, slot mill, taper mill, dove mill, lollipop mill, drill, reamer, bore, tap right hand, tap left hand, sender drill, sport drill, counter bore, counter sink, and this is undefined engrave tool, brap drill, high feet mill, thread mill, barrel form, oval form, taper form, lens form, lens barrel form, etc. So here I'm actually selecting which type, which tool. This is face mill. So I'm actually selecting this face mill. Okay, so here you can see everything, the tool material, everything will be there. I'm actually not changing this. I'm actually selecting this tool only, then I will select this. Okay, so then I will select the first tool, then I will click OK. Then I will select the tool holder option. Okay, then after that I will select the tool holder. Okay, so here you can see the tool holder. If you want to change the tool holder, okay, you can change. So I am using this holder. Okay, then I will click the cut parameters. Okay, so in the cut parameters, here you can see the style of cutting. Okay, so here this is one-way cutting. So I'm actually, if you want to change this, I am actually changing this to zigzag. Okay, this is the zigzag cutting. Okay, so stock leave on flows, I will change this into 0. And the depth of cut, okay, so depth cut is actually, so here you can see this is the depth cut. So maximum roughing step down, so that is, I will change it into 4. And finish cut 1. And finish step, say 0.25. Okay, then I will go to the linking parameter and the depth. Okay, so the depth is actually -1. Okay, so that means you have to complete the phasing operation 1 mm thickness. Okay, so the depth is -1 mm. Okay, then I will click the OK button. Okay, so the toolpath is ready. Okay, so I will click this. I will right click this, processing NZI data. I will right click on this toolpath. Okay, so processing NZI data. Okay, so here you can this is the simulator. Okay, so click the play button. Okay, you can see the simulation. Okay, yeah, here you can see when you click the simulation button, and you can see the simulation. Okay, so that was about this okay, so when you click this this here, this is the G1 post selected operation. When you click this, you can see the requested function is not available in the demo or home learning edition version of Mastercam. So this software is actually this is the demo or the home learning edition version. So that's why it is not able to generate the codes. Okay, so that is the problem. Okay, so thank you.